Yeah, you know that moment when you have a ton to do and suddenly cleaning your keyboard sounds way more important than your goals? Yep, been there. But this year I found the productivity hack that actually works. And no, it's not waking up at 4 a.m. or turning into a robot. It's called time boxing plus dopamine syncing. And it's literally rewired how I get things done. We live in the age of constant distraction. Apps are designed to hijack your brain's reward system. So every time you try to focus, your brain is like, this spreadsheet is cool and all. But wouldn't you rather scroll reels for 40 minutes? The problem isn't you, it's your brain's chemistry fighting your calendar. Here's the recent twist: time boxing, where you schedule exact blocks of time for specific tasks, paired with dopamine pairing, giving your brain little rewards it loves before, during, or after focus time. This isn't just a to do list, it's a contract with your brain. Step 1: create a dopamine warm up. Before your time box starts, give your brain a taste of pleasure. Dance to a favorite song, watch one meme, stretch, laugh. You prime the reward system before the work. Step 2: time box ruthlessly. Choose one task. Set a 30 to 45-minute box. No multitasking. Your phone goes on airplane mode, or better, in another room. This is not forever. It's a short, focused sprint, like giving your brain a mini gym session. Step 3: reward the box. After the box, reward yourself. Not with a doom scroll, but something that feels good and resets you. Maybe a walk, snack, short video. Just something that says, "Good job, you focused like a beast." This hack works because it syncs with how your brain actually works. You're building a dopamine feedback loop around discipline. Instead of forcing focus, you're training your brain to see focus as fun and rewarding. That's what makes it stick. You're not fighting your brain, you're partnering with it. So if you've been struggling with productivity, give this a shot. Time box your task, pair it with dopamine, and watch how much lighter it feels to get things done. You don't need to be more disciplined. You just need a system that works with your brain, not against it. If this helped, give it a like, share it with a friend who needs a productivity boost, and hit subscribe for more brain friendly life hacks every week. Work smarter, not harder, and make your brain your productivity partner.